Presenting the Redmi Note 9 that comes with 48 megapixel quad rear camera. The phone features a splash-proof aura balance design. The phone is available in Arctic white, blue, green and red colors. Redmi Note 9 is available in 3 variants to choose from. 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage, and 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The memory is expandable up to 512GB in all 3 variants. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 4G on dual standby. Redmi Note 9 features a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS dot display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio that provides for an immersive viewing experience. The IPS display produces accurate colors across a wide viewing angle. The phone comes with AI Face Unlock that lets you unlock your phone instantly and more securely. For impact protection, the display features Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone has a 48 megapixel quad rear camera array with ultra-wide, macro and depth of field lenses. It also features portrait, night mode, AI scene recognition, HDR and Pro mode to enhance the pictures. The phone has a 13 megapixel in-display selfie camera powered by Android operating system with octa-core Helio G85 processor. This phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Redmi Note 9 comes with a 5020 mAh battery with 22.5 watt fast charger. The box includes handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide and clear soft case. The product comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.